Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have not yet liked, share, and subscribe, please do it so that it will be helpful for me to do more and more videos like this. And if you feel my videos are a bit slow, you can go for a play speed and you can choose for a 2 and 1.5 so that it will be faster also. First of all, I'm not a sub-registered advisor. This is just an education purpose. Okay, you can learn a lot of topics from my videos. Okay, if you go to this is my channel. If you go to the channel playlist, you'll be getting four different types of playlist: trading topics, Zerodha features, the latest features, how to handle orders, all those charts. Okay, those topics I have discussed. Also hedging options, futures and options, hedging strategies also I have discussed, and also lot of strategies with the sensible paper trading also I have discussed. You can check it out, and also if you wanted to invest in US stock market, that is also available here. You can check it out all these playlist. Give a thumbs up for like and subscribe. Let's jump into the topic. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I would like to come up with a new topic, that is MTF. Okay, this is also one of the latest feature which Zerodha has adopted. MTF. Okay, MTF is basically margin traded funding. Okay, uh, basically the brokers will be giving a leverage to you guys to trade it. Okay, so if you want to get a full details about MTF, you can go to the Zerodha website and you can find it out all the details. Okay, I'll be placing these links in the description. You can find it out. Okay, and basically before jumping into the MTF orders, you need to know, or you need to gain some knowledge about an MTF. Okay, so, for an example, I have selected a BL stock here. Okay. Think that this is the MTF calculator, very fine calculator given by the Zerodha broker. And see, for an example, you think that if you have invested 10,000 in the MTF order, okay, number of days held, it is a 10 days you take it, okay, and expected rate of return, you can take it as a 10% also. Okay, so for this 10,000 of investment, what will be the brokerage charges and the profit and loss, these things? According to that, they have made some calculation. Okay, you can change it also 10 to 20% or something like this. Okay, 20 or 15. Okay, let's keep it as a 10 as of now. Okay, for this one, you can see it here. You have invested only 31% of the from your pocket, I can say that. Okay, or from your cash, the fund cash. Okay, here there will be fund, right? And the fund which is given by the Zerodha is 31,000 for this one. That means the number of shares will be more. Okay, you are investing only 10,000 rupees, but Zerodha is giving 31 rupees. Total buy value will be 41,300. Okay, actual buy value will be 41,300, but since Zerodha is giving a leverage amount of 31,000, you can give only 10,000 to the uh, Zerodha. Okay, for the MTF order, I can say that. Okay, so this is the calculator. This MTF order is basically risk and reward. Okay, if you want to take more and more risk, then this is a good option. Okay, also there are a lot of advantages, disadvantages also available for this MTF order. For an example, say suppose I have invested a 10,000 in a stock and taken a leverage of 31,000. Okay, I will show you how exactly the MTF order we should place it, and then you will come to know full details. So don't skip the video so that you'll be gaining more knowledge. Okay, so for an example, I have taken a 10,000. I have invested a 10,000 with MTF order. Uh, for an example, you say that if stock went up, then there is no problem. The profit, you will be in a profit, and uh, the Zerodha will be also happy that okay, there are no problems with the cash or money with that investment. Okay, and if suppose your price value, your the stock value reduced, or your the stock value goes down, then the problem occurs. Okay, for that purpose, what Jiroda is asking that if you are taking an MTF order, you should be having some cash in your account. Okay, at least if you are placing a 10,000 rupees of MTF order, you should be keeping some cash. Okay, maybe 2,000, 3,000 rupees also, some cash, because that is the safety they wanted. If suppose the BL crashes rapidly, or sudden spikes down, then if this 10,000 or 40,000, you can take it. Okay, the 40,000 becomes 30,000, then your investment will also be going to reduce. Okay, for example, your investment will be 10,000 rupees, and if it comes down to 8,000 rupees, Jiroda is asking 2,000 rupees as a margin call. Okay, that means Zerodha is sending a mail that if you have cash, directly they will block the 2,000 rupees, whatever the loss. That means they are not taking from your pocket, they are just blocking the amount. Once the stock comes up, then they will unblock this amount. Okay, this is what the MTF mechanism they are following it up. Okay. Uh, so this is what this is very risky. Don't go for higher margins. Always keep up with very low margins, so that you'll be, if stocks goes down also, you will be not in a trouble. Okay. What if I don't keep the cash in my account, then what Zerodha will do? Zerodha will be sending a mail to you, and they will be notified to you. Please add an margin call amount. So if you don't add it, then what they're going to do? They will sell your BL stock with a loss. Okay, so you'll be in a loss. Okay, instead of that, just keep a money, just keep some money. For an example, if you have 20,000, invest only 10,000 and keep some money in your cash, so that BL is a very fundamentally strong company. It won't go, or it won't fall 20%, 30% suddenly. Okay, maybe 5%, 10% is possible, unless until there is a black swan event. Okay, so this is what the mechanism. You can at least keep the 10% of the money for this order. Okay, uh, if you want more details, study it. And now jump into MTF order, how exactly we should take an MTF order. Okay, so this is one of the stock I have picked. As per SEBI regulation, I can't show the latest value. Okay, this is not a buying or selling tips actually. We don't have any WhatsApp group or any other groups as well. I'm just doing this for a educational purpose. Okay, so how to buy a MTF order? Just go to if you want to open this chart, you can keep any cursor, any stock, click on this chart option, then this chart will open. Then this blue color and red color, if you keep the cursor, if you hedge over, then you can see this buy market. Okay, I will press this buy market. Automatically this pop-up window will going to open. This is the order management or buying window. Okay, there are a lot of sections are available: weeks, regular, MTF, iceberg, cover. Okay, today's topic is MTF. Okay, regular means you can see this. If you want to do intraday trading, you can go for intraday, and if you want to go for a swing trading or long-term investment, then you can go for long-term. Okay, I have made a lot of videos on these. You can check it out. Okay, MTF order, basically I will come to MTF order. For an example, for this stock, the price of this stock is 4651 currently. Okay, if you want to buy 100 quantity of this stock, you need a 4 lakh 65 rupees, 170 rupees. Okay, this I'm checking in the regular order window. This is actually the value of the stock. Okay, so for the same 100 quantity, what will be the MTF? You can see it here. What will be the MTF? It is 1,17,000. You need to uh, pay to the stock actually. Okay, you need to give only 1,17,000. Okay, so but actual stock value will be 4 lakh. Another 3 lakh who are giving for you, or who are giving a margin for you, is the Zerodha. Okay, as per this one. Okay, this is what the happening, guys. But this is very risky. Don't go for higher margins unless until if you're a risk taker, that is fine. And if you have more money in your cash, the fund here, that will be fine. You can take it out. And before investing, you need to make a thorough study. Okay, because as soon as you select the stock goes down, then you need to wait for stock coming up. Okay, means it should reach your price, the buying price, then only you will be in a profit. So the brokerage charges will also be there. Keep it in mind. Okay, so this is what the MTF order, the benefit. You need to come here, MTF, margin traded fund, quantity you select. This is depends on your market order. If you want to go for market order, then you can go for market order. And if you want to go for particular price, you can place a particular price order. Okay. So if you buy this, then MTF order will be placed. Okay. How it is segregated in the MTF order, that will be like, you can see it here. This is the MTF order. Okay, currently I have taken some MTF order here. This will be like segregated or identified as a M here. Okay, this means P means this is a pledged orders. Okay, so that's it I wanted to convey today. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.